Snapdragon 8 Elite, smarter power, longer battery life. This document provides an overview of the Snapdragon 8 Elite platform, focusing on its key features and benefits, particularly its intelligent power management and enhanced battery life. It highlights the advancements in AI processing, connectivity, and overall performance that contribute to a superior user experience. Introduction. The Snapdragon 8 Elite represents a significant leap forward in mobile computing, designed to deliver unparalleled performance and efficiency. This platform is engineered to meet the demands of modern users who require powerful processing capabilities, seamless connectivity, and extended battery life. By integrating cutting-edge technologies and intelligent power management, the Snapdragon 8 Elite sets a new standard for premium mobile experiences. Key features and benefits. 1. Advanced AI processing. The Snapdragon 8 Elite features a next-generation AI engine that enables on-device AI processing for a wide range of applications. This includes enhanced image processing, real-time image enhancement, object recognition, and scene detection for superior photo and video quality. Intelligent audio processing, noise cancellation, voice recognition, and personalized audio experiences. Adaptive performance, AI-driven optimization of system performance based on user behavior and application requirements. The AI engine's capabilities not only improve the performance of specific applications but also contribute to overall system efficiency by intelligently managing resources. 2. Superior connectivity. Connectivity is a crucial aspect of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, offering 5G connectivity, support for the latest 5G standards, enabling ultra-fast download and upload speeds, low latency, and reliable network performance. Wi-Fi 7. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 ensures faster and more stable wireless connections, improving streaming, gaming, and other bandwidth-intensive activities. Bluetooth 5.4. Enhanced Bluetooth connectivity for seamless pairing with accessories, improved audio quality, and reduced power consumption. These connectivity features ensure that users can stay connected and productive, regardless of their location. 3. Intelligent power management. One of the standout features of the Snapdragon 8 Elite is its intelligent power management system. This system dynamically adjusts power consumption based on workload and usage patterns, resulting in significantly improved battery life. Key aspects of this system include adaptive power allocation. The platform intelligently allocates power to different components based on their current needs, minimizing energy waste. Background activity management. The system efficiently manages background processes, preventing unnecessary battery drain. Optimized thermal management. Advanced thermal management techniques ensure that the device operates at optimal temperatures, further enhancing efficiency and longevity. 4. Enhanced gaming experience. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is designed to deliver a premium gaming experience with features such as high-performance GPU, a powerful GPU that supports advanced graphics rendering, enabling smooth and immersive gameplay. Variable rate shading. VRS technology optimizes rendering performance by dynamically adjusting the shading rate based on the content, improving frame rates and visual quality. Adaptive game performance. The platform intelligently optimizes game performance based on the specific title and device capabilities, ensuring a consistent and enjoyable gaming experience. 5. Immersive audio and visuals. The Snapdragon 8 Elite supports high-resolution audio, support for high-resolution audio formats, delivering rich and detailed sound quality, advanced display technology, compatibility with advanced display technologies, such as HDR and high refresh rates, for stunning visuals. Spatial audio, immersive spatial audio capabilities that create a more realistic and engaging audio experience. Smarter power, longer battery life, a deeper dive. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's intelligent power management is a key differentiator, enabling longer battery life without compromising performance. This is achieved through a combination of hardware and software optimizations. 1. Advanced process technology. The platform is built on an advanced process technology that reduces power consumption at the transistor level. This results in a more energy-efficient chip that can deliver high performance without excessive heat generation. 2. Dynamic voltage and frequency scaling, DVFS. DVFS technology dynamically adjusts the voltage and frequency of the CPU and GPU based on the current workload. This allows the platform to operate at lower power levels when performing less demanding tasks, conserving battery life. 3. Heterogeneous computing. The Snapdragon 8 Elite utilizes heterogeneous computing, which involves distributing tasks across different processing units, CPU, GPU, DSP, etc., based on their specific strengths. This approach optimizes performance and power efficiency by ensuring that each task is handled by the most suitable processing unit. 4. AI-powered power management. The AI engine plays a crucial role in power management by learning user behavior and predicting future usage patterns. This allows the platform to proactively optimize power consumption based on anticipated needs, further extending battery life. 5. Software optimizations. In addition to hardware-level optimizations, the Snapdragon 5 software optimizations. In addition to hardware-level optimizations, the Snapdragon 8 Elite also benefits from software-level power management techniques. These include app standby bucketing. The system intelligently manages app activity in the background, preventing unnecessary battery drain. Dose mode. Dose mode optimizes power consumption when the device is idle, reducing battery drain during periods of inactivity. Adaptive battery. Adaptive battery learns which apps are used most frequently and prioritizes battery power for those apps, improving overall battery life. Conclusion. The Snapdragon 8 Elite represents a significant advancement in mobile computing, offering a compelling combination of performance, connectivity, and efficiency. Its intelligent power management system, coupled with advanced AI processing and superior connectivity, delivers a premium user experience with extended battery life. This platform is poised to power the next generation of flagship devices,